Welcome to my channel.
You will need parboiled rice. There are various rice, but parboiled works better with jollof rice. You have to pre-boil it. Then after that you will have to wash it. Don't overboil it. You wash it, drain the water, and wash it again with fresh clean water. Drain it and put it aside. Now get all your condiments ready. You can pause the video to look at everything that is there. Now preheat the oil and fry your garlic, onions. Then put your pepper. Here there is the red pepper, green pepper, tomatoes. You need all that flavor, so you leave it some time. Then put your tomato paste. This is gonna make it a little moist and red, and the flavor is good. Now you put all your seasonings, whatever seasoning you like. Here I have curry, I have a little bit of nutmeg. You can add a little more salt if you need to. Remember, you pour the rice little by little. When you pour, you stir to make sure that everything underneath comes up, or else they will start burning before the rice is cooked. Little by little, you stir, bring out the whole thing at the bottom to come up. Then you put the rest, shake it, make sure the water goes all the way down. Now let's take care of the chicken. It's seasoned and has been marinating for a while now. Now get your flour, put a little bit of seasoning that you like, and paprika. I like it a little reddish. Then pour it in. If you want a crispy, delicious fried chicken, you have to do it this way. You got to do it this way. Leave it to marinate for a while, a long time. Season your flour, pour it right in, shake it. Give it a good shake. But you need to dust it out before you fry. Yep. Put it one after the other. You can't just pour it in, or else you'll be pouring in a lot of flour and the things you don't need. Dust it out. You're still gonna have a lot of flowers at the bottom of the stuff anyway. Now let's go check the rice. It's done. You have to check to make sure it's soft enough. If it's soft enough, check if the water is dry. You don't want it too dry. Leave a little moist because you will need it. When you find out it's soft enough and there's no water at the bottom of the pot, now it's time to turn it. You need to turn it. I know some people do not like to do that. You need to turn it, else you will have a less tastier rice at the surface. The middle will be better, then the bottom will have everything. But you want to get everything at the bottom to reach the top. And at this point, you find out if the salt is enough. They can sprinkle a little more. Here, I don't need to do that. Chicken is ready. Yep. Get it out. Of course, you can eat the rice with something else. But chicken is the most popular thing to eat jollof rice with. My kids love chicken. They prefer chicken. And there you go. Your jollof rice and fried chicken ready. You can do that. Anybody can do it. It's easy. Let's give it a try.